Just an arrogant bitch. That's all she is. I mean, of the lowest character. And it's just disgusting. It's disgusting. And I shouldn't have to tolerate it. And I'd stake my life on it. I mean, if I could call her out onto the field of honor, you know, like they did in the old days 200 years ago, you could call somebody out and you could say, okay, you meet me out on the field of honor and we'll prove who's right or wrong with a gun in our hands. Because liars aren't going to be willing to die for their lies. But an honest man's willing to die for the truth. And I'd stake my truth against her lies. She has no honor. And I won't live with people with no honor. I mean, I'd rather you run me over with a tank. I'd rather the government come and just shoot me in the head. Because there's no point in living this way. There's no point in living if I have to be subjected to the authority of people who have no character, no integrity, who can't make an honest decision when they have sworn an oath to the United States Constitution. It's disgusting. And you have to blame the Supreme Court of the state. You have to blame the appeals court justices. Every one of these people has to be culpable because they know this crap goes on. And they let it happen. They don't take any responsibility because guess what? They're all lawyers. They all made their livings before they became judges lying. Because you know that's all lawyers do. I haven't gotten an honest piece of paper from my adversaries in any court action I have filed. Every one of these lawyers just lies. They don't deal with the facts and the truth. They just manipulate everything. They try to earn victory through any cheat they can manipulate, any contrived mechanism, any way to tilt, to twist, to turn the playing field. It's nothing about the truth and the facts. All it is about victory. And you put those kind of people who've earned their living as professional manipulators and liars, and you put them on a court, and we should expect something different. We should expect something different than criminal behavior. And like I said, we have to damn them all. I mean, like I said, I know that every one of the state Supreme Court justices knows this happens to pro se litigants. That's what you know, he's spent his life as a compulsive liar, and now he's writing books and he's proud of it. What the hell is that crap? I mean, he probably should be in jail, you know, but he certainly shouldn't be proud of himself, and he certainly shouldn't be walking around doing book tours, you know, oh, well, I'm a nice tell-all book, and I'm, you know, coming clean, and I'm gone to confession, so to speak. Well, it's a little too late. You just spent your life on a lie. You fooled a bunch of people to elect you governor. You did nothing with it but play stupid, silly games. I mean, it's disgusting because there's no accountability. You have, if you're going to take an oath to the United States Constitution, you're going to take an oath to make laws and to enforce laws. It's got to mean something. And if we let these people just get away with this crap, we have nothing. We've just thrown away everything our forefathers fought for. I mean, I would be better off under the King's justice. You know, I could probably get better justice in an English court. That's how disgusting this whole thing is. You know, the very force that was, you know, this disgusting oppression to us, you know, at least had integrity. I mean, these people stood for something. What do we stand for now? Do we stand for anything? You know, all this flag waving, all this patriotism, all this, you know, all this stuff. But how am I supposed to see it as meaning anything when I try to do a simple thing? I try to access a public access channel, okay, to do, you know, what I thought, what I still think, what I believe is public interest, public advocacy. I mean, I want to inform people. I want to have an intelligent debate. I'm not trying to control. I'm not trying to express propaganda. I'm not trying to make it a one-sided argument. Anybody, come here, sit here with me and argue. You think I'm full of shit? Then sit in a chair and you tell me so. And you make the argument and you prove I'm full of shit. I'm not the one who's afraid of the argument. I'm not the one trying to shut everybody else up. And you know, these, where's the media? Where is it? You know, I've had all kinds of this, like I said, this has been going on for 6 years now. with these government lunatics. And then you go to a court to try to fix it, and you find out there's just more of the same lunatics. More of the same corrupt, evil bastards who have no respect for the United States Constitution. And it just to let it keep happening, just, oh yeah, fine. So there's a website that's devoted just to this subject. It's called njinNJ.com, you know, for nojusticeinnewjersey.com. And, you know, you can get there through the Men and website and the TV show website and blah, 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 whatever. But, you know, the point is that this is, look, make the argument. You tell me I'm wrong somehow to be feeling bad about America or feeling abused. And explain to me why I'm wrong to feel that way. Why I'm wrong to say, screw this. Screw this system. Screw this country if it can't stand for something. If it can't, at minimum, put honest people on the courts that have all the power, that ultimately decide what the United States Constitution is, whether it's a piece of toilet paper or actually a document of integrity. So, whatever.